It's early in the morning, it's 7 o'clock, and today I'm going to Dandeli trip. Yeah, today I'm going to trip with my friends, so I'm all sort of ready. I'm sort of ready. Yes, now I just need to go to bus stand and meet my friends. See you there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to Dandeli. She is Kavya, she is cameraman, Pooja, and she is Chaitra. Yeah, we are going to Dandeli now. And ಹಂಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಟನ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇಗ ನಾಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಬ್ರೋ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಟ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತ Hi guys, we have finally landed in Dandeli and our halat is so bad. We are feeling so worse. ಚೈತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮೂರು ಬಾಲ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟಾಯ್ ಚೈತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ. ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್,
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹೊಸ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆ.
Guys, we are finally going to resort. After so much of bargaining, we are going to resort now. It's too much hot here. Too much price. This is the resort. It's so far from the bus stand. It's full in jungle. So this is the resort. I will show you once I go in. So guys, this is our resort, which we have booked without knowing the kilometers it is far from the bus stand, but I think it's good enough. Yeah, so this is full in jungle. So hi Chaitra. Hi, finally Dandeli. Kavya, Pooja. We are in Dandeli now, so let's go to room and check in and then get fresh up and then go to all the sightseeing. Hi guys, we are all ready now and going for lunch. After that we will be going for water activities. So Chaitra, are you ready for water activities? And you? So yes guys, we are all ready now and we will just go to water activities and have fun there. So these are our tents where we are staying, and this is where we will eat, and this is the resort. So yeah, hi Chaitra, any comments on resort? Did you like it? Yeah. So here we are going to have all the activities like playing cricket and all other activities. Here is archery and all other activities will be held here in the evening. So until then we will be having the fun in water. So where we will be playing in the water. For that, this is a not right outfit, but I didn't have any other option to wear, so I am going with this dress outfit. So this is what I am wearing. That she forgot her chappal. So this is where we are going to have lunch. So these here we have a buffet. Let's see what we have in the buffet. So Chaitra is changing the plate. She's first taking the tissue, brush tissues with the cleaning. Chaitra is my best friend. So we are having chapati. No chapati. Yeah. This is chapati. One saag amal veg. Sankal non-veg. So this is which flower? Cabbage. This is cabbage. So we are having cabbage. So no. This is some sort of kurma, paneer kurma. Paneer is rich in protein. We want to have a lot of protein now. We will take the rice afterwards. And what is sweet? Let's have some sweet. Sweet. बस अगर राइस रुपये का जब मुफ्त का खाना मिल रहा हो तो ठूस के खाओ. मुफ्त का नहीं है, हमने पे किया है इसके लिए. ओपन का तो ओपन का. Let's have some pickle. So that's it. So this is the whole like plate here. How's the food, Pooja? How's the food? Chaitra? How's the food?
Sweet is sweet.
It's my plate and so we have had lunch and let's take reviews of all those people who have had those lunch. Chaitra, how was the lunch?
Better.
Pooja?
Out of 5.
Okay. Kavya?
Not bad.
So they are saying 1300 is worth it. So evening we are having non-veg, which is my favorite. So let's see how it like tastes. So I am hoping that it tastes good. Otherwise, I am going to kill them because I can't compromise with non-veg. So okay, then now we are going to boating. So this is the way to boating. The people who say like Dandeli is full cool, it's not true. It's not true because you can see our faces. We have done makeup only before half an hour, but our faces has fully like we have done it in the morning. So it's too hot here. So now we have come for boating. So this is the view of boating. The next the view of boating. So let's go now and see how the boating goes. So now let's go and see how the boating goes. So guys, we have come for boating now. So this is the view of boating. We are also excited for the boating. We are excited for the boating. We are back from boating and kayaking. It was it was so fun and our situation you can see. Yeah, so guys, it was so worth it for giving so much money to resort. So it was worth it. Finally we have done something worth it in Dandeli. Till the time we reached Dandeli, this is the first thing we have done. ನಮ್ಮ viewers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಾಠಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತೆಲುಗು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಸೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೋ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ they are fighting because I am not doing vlogs in Kannada, but I will do only in English. I don't want my viewers to get upset because of these three people because so for you I will fight, guys. I will fight for you. So now we are going back to resort to do some activities there. Guys, we are all wet right now, but still looking beautiful. So we are looking beautiful. Very beautiful, guys.
And Chaitra is the most beautiful girl now. Chaitra almost went into the like jungle while doing the boating. She almost went there. She was for a minute invisible for me. I was searching for where is Chaitra. She went into the trees. so now we are going to Blackwater. There is nothing. There is nothing in Blackwater, but we are going to Blackwater. So we are going to see. Water is black. That's why we are going. So we are going to see that nothing there. We are going to see that nothing there because sometimes nothing means a lot. So let's figure out. We will find that something. How is your marriage? Yeah. So Pooja, how's the marriage going on? Dinchak. So there is so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like wow.
Just going like wow.
Yeah.
Hi guys, now we are going to the nothing place, which is the backwater. So we are going now. So I think no one is here right now. So jungle area, but it's worth coming to Dandeli because you will love this place. The vibe here. The car is not allowed here, so we can walk as we want. So these three are leaving me alone and going. Say it again, Chaitra. Yeah, I love my viewers. Yeah, this is my favorite chicken, but I only love it when it is cooked, not like this. I love it when it is cooked. And specially cooked by my mom. The biryani. I want to eat biryani right now. So Chaitra will cook it for me tomorrow in their house. So I hope I come back safely after eating her biryani. If not, then this video is the proof that she killed me. So guys, no one is here. They really say it's nothing, so I think it's true. It's really nothing here. So some uncle is waiting for us. The village view. This is all for my viewers because they can't come to Dandeli. So I will take them. I will take the Dandeli to them through my vlog. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So guys, it's so the vibe is so good here with the friends like this. If you are alone, then I don't think you will get that vibe here.
Your viewers are bookish, then come to here and read. It is so silent place.
Yeah, if you are anyone of like you want to like reading books. So we missed the road. Now some uncle showed us the uncle standing there. If you can see, uncle standing there. So he showed us the correct route. Thank you, uncle. So now we will go in the correct route. I wish someone in my life also showed me right route like this uncle. So I would have become a millionaire right now if someone showed me that route in my life. My brother shows me. So because of him, I have joined engineering. And now she is my engineering friend. She is my engineering friend. She is my office friend. Kavya. Kavya.
Hi.
Chaitra. Kavya. Chaitra, your friend here is waiting for you. Your friend here is waiting for you. So now let's walk. So no, this is something back. Huh? She's scolding me because I didn't bring kurta. Because Dandeli is a place of wearing jeans and tops, I guess. No, bro, I can't spoil the vibe of from wearing a kurta here. See Chaitra, how well dressed she is. Take some inspiration from her. If you are going to like do rafting and all, do wear that type of dress. That would be comfortable for you. Otherwise, if you wear jeans, she's the best example. Kavya, show us your jeans. She's suffering. She's suffering because she has woo! Some Atma has gone into our body, our soul. So we are cheering like that. Think there is something here. There is something. Yeah, scenery is beautiful. Pooja, you're coming in between my scenery. You're coming in between my scenery. So guys, this is a water. Yeah. So the view is beautiful here. We will take some photos here. So before this vlog, our photos come. Yeah. Guys, it's so beautiful here. Oh God. See, oh, you three are wearing black. But in video it is coming black. Yeah, now it's maroon red. I'm the different girl here. Beautiful. Dirty fellow. I'm the beautiful girl here. more than the
dirty fella sitting on the good fella.
more than the 3 people. So now let's just watch this. Yeah, it's peaceful because there are no people here. If there were people, then that would be as noisy. So when someone says the Kali Nadi is nothing, then show them this vlog. The people also matter. If you come alone, then it will be nothing. It would be like a good place to have some peace here. If you are not having that in your life, then you can have it here. Yeah, she's not having peace, so let's find her some here. If you want to go do swimming, you can do it here. You can do swimming. No, there is cricket net here. Yeah, it's for me, I guess. There is a cricket net. Yeah, someone plays cricket here. It's good spot to play cricket. Now we will take some photos and then we will just go back and have fun in swimming pool. We are sitting here, but our 2 of our friends are doing some unnecessary things.
Activities.
I will show you just what they are doing by zooming in. Just laugh out loud. Yeah. So there 2 are throwing stones inside. Yeah.
ಚೈತ್ರ ಹಿಂಗ ಆಟ ಹೋಗಿ
She's
ಹಾ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ
yeah, they are trying to throw, but because of their energy, they cannot throw further.
ಬೀಸ
They don't have energy right now.
ಹಾ
They have thrown on someone, guys.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ
They have thrown on They are throwing someone there. They are throwing on someone standing there. And see how family enjoys here once they come. So do come with your families. Have some photographs. Put it in WhatsApp stories, Instagram stories, so that people see. There are many people. When we came here, no one was here, but now there are many people coming here. So even families, you can see your friends, and even other categories. You can see Titanic pose also works here. So if you have any of your loved ones, bring them and do this Titanic poses. So you can have good stories for your Insta and as well as your WhatsApp. This both will show you how to do it. Please guys, show us Titanic pose. Go there, my camera is not visible. Yeah.
ಸಿಂದ್ರಿ ನೀ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್
Yeah, they are showing the Titanic pose, how to do it. Yeah.
ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್
You can try this when you come here. Yeah, she's showing correctly.
Now it starts it. Hey. Ha.
So guys, they are trying to do drunken girl acting. So with a Kannada song, let's see how it works. 1, 2, 3, start. Yeah, so that's it. So they cannot do much. Hi guys, now we are going to swimming pool. Let's have fun.
ನಾ ಹುಡುಕ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ
Hi guys, now we are back from all rain dance and swimming. Now we are going to room. As you can see, our situation is worse, and I surely tell that I will fall ill after going to home, and my parents are going to kill me. Hi guys, now we have completed our lunch. Sorry, we have completed our dinner. So there was both non-veg and veg as well. But I have eaten veg. I have eaten veg and she has eaten non-veg. She is eating veg. She is eating veg. The veg food was okay. Worth it. Sorry guys, she also ate veg. You can see her plate. So she has also ate veg and it's good. Good rice. You can taste it. Only for tasting, you cannot eat it for more than 2 times because it's not that worth it. Yeah. And okay, then now we will just do some reels after we complete our dinner. After that, Chaitra is going to no, she is going to teach us what reels we are going to do, and she is going to dance, she is going to sing. I am going to do vlogging because you all can see once we do that. So yeah, this is the resort. Here we have campfire which we had. Yeah, that's it. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday. Today is Sunday, so this is the second day of our trip and last day of our trip because we have only planned for 2 days. So my voice is all gone because of playing in lot of water and eating nonsense food. So bear with it. And sun, it's brightening, and here the view is very good in the morning. So yeah, the view is very good. You can see the resort. The view is very good here. It's all in the jungle, so it feels more like I'm staying in jungle. So now we are going to trekking. After trekking, we will directly go to sightseeing. So we are all dressed up for that already. My friends are still getting ready. So I got ready and just came and sat here. And that's it. Now we are going to have breakfast. They are going to provide that also. So after having that breakfast, we are going to check out and then visit all the sightseeing activities, and then we are again going to Chaitra's home today. Her home is in Dandeli, so we will be going there for lunch. After that, we will again go to Hubli, back to routine. So yeah guys, now let's go to room, and I will as well show you our resort completely. So yeah. So this is where we did the rain dance yesterday, and there is a swimming pool as well. Here we played cricket, shuttle, everything yesterday night that I couldn't record. So yeah. So this is where we were having swimming pool. These are the cottages and the rooms, and these are our tents where we slept yesterday. We had a good adventure. Let me show you inside the tent. So this is the tent. Yeah, 2 people can sleep in this. So it was a lot of fun yesterday. Have a good experience of staying in tent. You should also try it. And these are the rooms here. So now let's go meet our friends. So this is the room. Let's go and surprise them. Guys, they are getting ready. Kavya, good morning.
Good morning.
Chaitra, good morning. Pooja, good morning. Yeah, so now they are getting ready to look beautiful. Chaitra, the model. And Kavya, the what?
The nothing.
Nothing like backwater. And she's cheetah, I guess, today. And myself, they can name it anything. No names. No names, guys. No names.
Peri peri lady.
Yeah, she's naming something.
Sherry sherry lady.
So now we are going to trekking. You can see I'm the last one in the trekking. Hi, hi. Hi, Elrile. So we are going to trekking. The friend guy is our guide. You should walk daily. Otherwise, if you walk once in a lifetime, then this will be your situation. See, Chaitra, we are not able to walk. Guys, everyone are here from Goa. Only we are from Hubli. Guys, we are very much tired after walking only little much. We haven't walked very long, but there is something there. What is that? We are going to find out. Guys, we are very much tired. We got this much ready for trekking because after trekking we are immediately going for sightseeing, so we won't be having much time there. So that's why we got ready early in the morning, which is not our type, especially mine. She gets up early every day, but not me. Today, even though it's Sunday, but it doesn't feel like Sunday because from yesterday we are feeling it like Sunday. So let's see, there is something here, gate. What gate is this? Is it the gate for my future? Open it and let's go. We are going that side.
Black falls. I said one now.
So that Bhaiya is taking us to some point here. Let's go and see that point. This is Kacha Rasta. Kacha Rasta. Ingvale. She has gone wrong. So there is some bottles here. Oh guys, it's a photo. Guys, the view is very beautiful here. Oh, the morning trekking is worth it. Yeah, so greenery. I have come to completely different world. Let me show you the river which we saw yesterday, and here it is. The Kali Nadi which we saw yesterday, we were other side of it. Now we have come this side. It looks so beautiful from here as well. So view is so good. So guys, we have come near water. There are a lot of fishes here. Kavya,
Hi guys.
how was the trekking?
It's going.
The scene is very good from here. Hi guys, we are having puri and upma for breakfast. Upma is very good. Yeah. How's the puri, Kavya? She has not eaten it, but still. Chaitra.
I'm just looking.
Yeah, upma is very good here. I never thought upma would be this tasty. Besides soap. Now just we'll have it and then go back to sightseeing. So guys, we are finally checking out of resort now. They are all packing their stuff. I am all set. Now we are going to sightseeing. After that we have our bus in the evening. Then we will go to our houses. To Hubli, back to Hubli and Dharwad. She is asking something. We are all set now. Then we will be going back. We are having lot of sightseeing. We are going to 3 places. Crocodile, Eco Park and Maulangi. Okay, so 2. Yeah. So now we will check out. Say bye guys to resort. Bye. So guys, now we are going out. Our checkout is done. So bye to this resort. We had a lot of fun here. Do visit this resort. It's a dark resort and also known as White Pearl Cottages. So we have come to Crocodile Park. So guys, we are going now into Crocodile Park. Let's see how crocodile looks like in real. Yeah, this is all crocodile parks. Everywhere greenery. Yeah, there's a crocodile. Crocodile, where are you? Yeah, there's a crocodile.
Come here.
Kavya is
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರ ಹೋತು ಫಿಶ್ ನೋಡಿದಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ ಹೋತು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಐತಿ ನೋಡಿದಿ.
This is a crocodile park.
ಇದು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಸುಳಿನೇ ಐತಿ.
ಬಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಾ. ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ.
ಸುಳಿ ಹೇಳಾತಾಳಕಿ.
We are big crocodiles here. First crocodile Chaitra. Second me because 2 is my lucky number. Third is Pooja and 4th is Kavya. Crocodiles. Here the photos will come very nice. It's a photogenic place, and if your face is photogenic, then it would be fantastic. We have tried to take our photos. Let's see how it comes when we yeah. The photos are very nice because our faces are very nice. I will put the photos in my vlog, so you can also see how it comes. Here the scenery is very good because it's all greenery, so the faces will come out very good. So that's it for now, guys. Now we are going to Maulangi Park. After going there, we will continue vlogging. Bye. It's a RCB auto where we are traveling. Being a RCB fan teaches you how to handle hard brakes like a pro. Yes, I'm a RCB fan. So these people are also RCB fans.
RCB.
Support RCB in the next IPL. Yes, we have come from Maulangi Eco Park and this is how it looks. It's the entrance of the park. There is go-karting also. I will try to go there because I like it. So it's the entrance of this. So good. There's a ticket counter here. These are the ticket counters. So guys, we are into Maulangi Eco Park, which is a famous park in Dandeli. Everyone should come and visit here once you come to Dandeli. There are so many people. There was a Range Rover also. The cars are very good. And here also there are many cars. That is the entrance of that. Guys, we are looking beautiful in this Eco Park. The greenery is making our face more beautiful. Kavya? Huh? Oh God, it's... Oh, we are seeing crocodile here. We have been to crocodile, but this near only here it's possible. We simply wasted money on crocodile park. We could have seen it here. Yes. Yes guys, so you can see it. Let's go from... So this is our Maulangi Park. Oh God, water is so... It's just make us to stop and stay in the water because it's so beautiful. हाँ बंदे. ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೊಂಟಿವಿ. ಸೊ ಚೈತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಸ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ our guide. Here they are leaving to go near the water. Let's go. इथं पाणी लई आहे. महाराष्ट्र लोक पण लई आहेत इथं कारण महाराष्ट्र लोकाला फिरायला लई आवडते म्हणून त्यांनी लई आहे तिथं. कर्नाटकमध्ये पण महाराष्ट्र लोक भरलेत. तुम्ही पण या. तुम्ही चलो निनन चला ना. Let's go. So guys, now we are going down. Yeah, these people are going down. Let them go. I'm sick of water now. After spending my whole day in water yesterday, I don't want to spend any more time on water, but just see it with our eyes. Just fulfill it with our eyes. So yes guys, this is Maulangi Eco Park where people are swimming. People are enjoying the water and our Pooja is also going to enjoy it. Sunday today, so I am craving for eating the non-veg, so I will try to eat it out after leaving Chaitra's house. So I will try it, but now we are going to Chaitra's home. Her grandmother is cooking food for us, so let's have that, gain some energy and then go back to normal routine. It's Hubli and Dharwad. So same computer, same work, same daily morning routines, getting up, getting ready. So guys, we are eating something new. I don't know what it is. Now Kavya will explain what that thing is. I will show you. So this is not puri, but this is Kavya. ಏನಿದು ಅಂದರೆ
ಬಡ ದೊಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಚಪಾತಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಖಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಖಾರ.
ಖಾರ. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ. Chaitra's grandmother has did it for us. So it's the advantage of coming home. This will be not given in any resort. We are having a gossip here with the grandmother. I will show you. She is grandmother of Chaitra. They both are sitting like panchayat heads. So Chaitra, Pooja, done with wedding shoot, wedding photo shoot. That's it, guys. Now we are going to have lunch and then have some rest and then go back to Hubli. Hi guys, this is our mummy. ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬತ್ತಾಗ ಸಾಕಡೆ. This is our situation in this bus.
In this situation, so
See the bus, guys. But we are laughing still hard in this situation because we don't have any other option. Hi guys, we have finally reached Hubli. waiting for auto. Kavya, how are you feeling after the trip?